Hello everyone, the first thing that instantly grabs attention about the 2026 Ferrari FS 290 is its dramatic exterior styling. Ferrari designers appear to have pushed the design language further into the future while still keeping the classic Ferrari DNA alive. The front section looks extremely sharp and aggressive, with ultra-slim LED headlights, huge aerodynamic air intakes, and a sculpted hood designed to improve airflow at high speeds. The low front splitter and active aerodynamic elements help generate downforce while giving the car a race-ready appearance. Every curve and every vent appears functional, making the FS 290 look like a machine built directly from Ferrari's Formula One technology. From the side profile, the Ferrari FS 290 looks unbelievably sleek and aerodynamic. The body sits extremely low to the ground, while the sculpted side panels channel airflow toward the rear section. Large carbon fiber wheels, massive brake systems, and wide rear fenders create an aggressive supercar stance that looks stunning from every angle. Ferrari is expected to use lightweight materials throughout the vehicle, including carbon fiber, aluminum, and advanced composite structures. This helps reduce overall weight while improving handling, acceleration, and efficiency. The rear section may be the most dramatic part of the car. Full-width LED taillights, an aggressive rear diffuser, active rear wing technology, and massive aerodynamic tunnels give the FS 290 a futuristic hypercar appearance. Rumors suggest the 2026 Ferrari FS 290 could use a next-generation hybrid powertrain producing close to 900 horsepower. Some early reports mention a twin-turbocharged V8 engine combined with advanced electric motor technology. Performance numbers are expected to be absolutely insane. 0 to 60 miles per hour could happen in less than 2.5 seconds. While the top speed may exceed 220 miles per hour, Ferrari engineers continue pushing hybrid performance technology further, combining brutal acceleration with improved efficiency and instant electric torque. The hybrid system is expected to deliver incredible responsiveness. Instant electric power at lower speeds, combined with the screaming Ferrari engine at higher RPMs, should create an unforgettable driving experience. Ferrari has been heavily investing in hybrid and electrified performance technology for future models. Reports about Ferrari's future electric and hybrid supercars suggest the company is focusing on lightweight construction, active aerodynamics, and extremely powerful electrified powertrain. Handling is expected to become one of the biggest strengths of the FS 290. Ferrari's advanced suspension systems, rear-wheel steering, torque vectoring, adaptive dampers, and active aerodynamic systems will likely work together to deliver incredible cornering performance. The steering should feel extremely precise and direct, allowing drivers to feel connected to the road at all times. Ferrari has always focused on emotional driving experiences, and the FS 290 appears designed to continue that tradition. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Ferrari FS 290 is expected to blend luxury with futuristic motorsport technology. The dashboard design will likely feature a fully digital cockpit inspired by Formula One race cars. A large curved display behind the steering wheel could provide speed, navigation, hybrid performance data, and driving information. The center infotainment system is expected to support wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, advanced navigation, voice controls, and over-the-air software updates. Ferrari's latest software systems are becoming more advanced, while still keeping the focus on driving performance. The steering wheel itself could include touch-sensitive controls, shift paddles, drive mode selectors, and Ferrari's iconic Manettino dial for changing driving modes instantly. Premium materials will likely cover the interior, including Alcantara, carbon fiber, leather, aluminum, and custom stitching options. Ferrari buyers are known for personalizing their vehicles, so extensive customization options will probably be available. The seats are expected to provide both luxury comfort and track-focused support. Deep-side bolsters, lightweight construction, heating and ventilation functions, and racing-inspired design elements may all become part of the package. Ambient lighting, premium sound systems, wireless charging, and advanced climate control systems should help make the cabin feel modern and luxurious, despite the car's extreme performance focus. Ferrari engineers are also expected to improve everyday usability. Although the FS 290 is designed for speed and excitement, the adaptive suspension system may allow the car to remain comfortable enough for daily driving situations. Safety and driver assistance technology are also becoming more important in modern Ferrari models. Features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane assistance, emergency braking, and advanced parking systems may be included. Battery technology is expected to improve significantly compared to earlier Ferrari hybrid systems. Faster charging speeds, better energy recovery systems, and more efficient battery cooling could help improve both performance and reliability. Ferrari's recent hybrid supercars already combine incredible performance with advanced electrification technology. The 2026 Ferrari 296 Specially delivers 869 horsepower using a hybrid system and became Ferrari's most powerful rear-wheel drive production car. The FS 290 may push those numbers even further. Ferrari appears focused on creating a new generation of electrified supercars that still feel emotional, aggressive, and exciting to drive. The sound experience will remain extremely important. Even with hybrid assistance, Ferrari understands that engine, sound, and emotion are major parts of the ownership experience. Engineers are likely tuning the exhaust and hybrid systems carefully to maintain the brand's signature character. Pricing for the 2026 Ferrari FS 290 will almost certainly place it deep into the ultra-luxury supercar segment. Experts expect pricing could start around $450,000 and rise significantly. Higher depending on customization options and limited edition packages. Special performance versions or track-focused trims could easily exceed $600,000, especially with Ferrari's exclusive personalization programs. Ferrari enthusiasts online continue debating the future of electrified supercars, with some excited about hybrid technology and others preferring traditional naturally aspirated engines. However, Ferrari appears determined to combine future technology with the emotional driving experience that defines the brand. The 2026 Ferrari FS 290 represents what the future of Italian supercars could look like. Brutally fast, technologically advanced, beautifully designed, and emotionally engaging, whether parked in a luxury garage, displayed at a supercar event, or flying down a racetrack at full speed. The Ferrari FS 290 looks ready to become one of the most exciting performance machines of the modern era.